Hello, my name is Helbert Juan Abril Williams. I am in Evaluation and Negotiation Technology course and in Growth 65. Today is December 40, 2020. I come to talk to you about the case of the software company Colombia, which is a clear example of intangible assets, which is of a great importance for company in the same way to being technology as other similar products must have a high commercial value. That is why before we must seek the methods to know which is the most adapted value. The commercial method with which it is most competitive in the values and its effectiveness should be selected to adequately control the product. Thank you for your attention.